Good morning. It's the Bougie Duchess, and we are starting live right now. I am going to do my little transformation thing, and then we'll segue right into Hot Topic. Of course, you know, there'll be the little makeup tutorial thing going on, and so I have about an hour and 45 minutes of a morning occasion. I'm going to be posting things to my Facebook page and holding you guys, bringing you along for the ride and everything like that. So, here I am. I'm fresh from the shower. Let me go ahead and put my hair up in some kind of way so that it's up out of my face. So when I get ready to do the little makeup tutorial, there we go. It's up. Alright, so let's... So there we go. I apply a cream cover stick all around the eye. Just like that. And then I use this to spread the pigment all around. Now when I go to edit this later, I will probably speed up the video. I've learned how to detach the soundtrack to it, so it won't sound like I'm on helium so much. And I'll just speed up me doing this makeup process, and it'll seem like I do it in 2 seconds flat. But we all know that it really takes me about half an hour to put on the makeup. And I blend it out, and I cover some little trouble areas for me. I wish I could cover some trouble fat areas for me, because that's one of the things that's been happening during this shelter in place. Is I've been sheltering in place and packing on the weight, and that has turned into quite an episode for me. And I have every intentions of doing something about it. I don't believe in dieting, because dieting never really worked for me. Well, it did work for me. I would lose it, and I would do this little yo-yo thing with drugs and alcohol, and it's never been a very productive way for me to lose weight. You know, although I do get skinny as a rail, but I've damaged my internal organs in such a way that I've now, as an adult, have gotten complicated